So the one thing that's left here with the styling is to italicize this bit here. So this is going to be our snippet attribution selector, so I'll copy this. And since the anchor tag within the snippet attribution is more specific, then I'll add the selector above. And now how do we italicize this? We have to use a CSS property that we've seen before, but I don't think we've used. Let's do a quick search. So CSS property, italicize. Okay, let's pop to this font style property. So here's an example. Let's take a look at the demonstration. Okay, so we have normal, and this is italic and oblique. These two look identical. Italic is the most commonly used term, so let's do that. So we're going to use font style italic. I'll copy it, I'll jump back to our example, and I'll paste it in. And there we go. Let's save this. And now let's code up the second snippet. So I'll go back to our code. So I'm going to copy these two paragraphs, and I'll paste it after the heading in this other snippet. And let's check out the design, see what's different. Okay, so we have a different user. Let's copy their name, and I'll go back to the editor. We'll change the name, and it looks like the text is identical. So we'll leave that. Let's save this, go back to the browser and refresh. Okay,